How do you install WhatsApp on your PC? Today we will have a Tech Tip Tuesday by Tech Genius to show you just that. Over to you, Martin.
Thanks, Melanie. So basically, there are two ways of using WhatsApp on your PC. The one is through your web browser. So normally people, when they first install WhatsApp, they'll put it on their mobile device, so, a phone, a mobile phone or a tablet. But, sometimes you want the convenience of being able to send something from a PC, especially if you're working on your desktop and you're doing business conversations, why would you want to leave your keyboard now, use your mobile device, go back to your keyboard? And the very convenient thing about that is the fact that you can do messages on both devices, and the histories will be on both devices. So it makes sense when you're working on your PC, use it on your PC. When you're working on your mobile phone, use it on your mobile phone. And everything gets sort of recorded and stored. Now, the first way I'm going to show you how to do it is basically if you just open WhatsApp in a web browser. So I'm just going to quickly show you a video of somebody else showing how to do it. So basically, it's reasonably simple. What you do is you basically need to open your web browser, which might be Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox or whatever web browser you prefer using. And you need to go to a specific URL. And that URL, I'm just going to see if we can forward. There we go. It's web.whatsapp.com. So you pretty much just go to that site. Now, when you open it over there, WhatsApp will want to verify that you are actually the holder of that account. So you basically open the website, you can see that's what he's busy doing over there. So now the first thing they want you to do is the way that they verify that you are actually the holder of the account is you actually need to open your app on your mobile device. And there's basically a little thing that you click on at the top, which says scan QR code. Now, because the QR code that you're scanning on the PC is actually going to the app, which is actually sending a message back to the website, so they know that you are, the owner of that, pretty much that account. So it's quite a simple process. You just take your phone, you scan the QR code. That's sort of the short version. And then once you scan the QR code, you should be able to start using it. So let's just see. Let's just move forward a little bit. So, oh yeah, here he goes on his phone, he selects the option, he says, all right, WhatsApp web, and there you go, and scan the QR code, there you go. So you scan it, and then pretty much, there you go, it's recognized you. Now, you can see at the bottom here, it says, keep your phone connected. Now, your WhatsApp, your phone that you actually, where you installed WhatsApp needs to pretty much be on. That was one of the requirements. I see that is something that WhatsApp is actually yesterday. I received a message that we can actually, it's in beta stage. We actually can turn your device off, but that's something we can do a different tip on later. So let's just say the sort of the standard way is that your phone must be on to use, WhatsApp on your PC, pretty much. So there you go. You've got WhatsApp. It looks very similar on your phone. You've got the contacts on the left. And you can go to the right side. So your contacts here on the left-hand side. And then if you click on a contact, you can very much have a conversation on the right-hand side. You can see for privacy reasons, he's grayed out, some private information over there. But there you can see there's a message. You can see your contact at the top you're talking to, your profile icon at the top, and then pretty much send messages. So this is one of the ways of using WhatsApp is to pretty much use the web browser on your device. There's actually another way that you can actually use WhatsApp on your PC, which is something that I find even more convenient, and that is actually installing a software program. So this sort of method of using a website is handy if you're going to be working on a PC. And you basically, maybe you're going to an internet cafe using somebody else's, else's PC. You just quickly, just for a few hours or a few days, you want to use it on that thing, on that specific device. But, it's quite nice if you're consistently using the same PC in the same location. So it's quite handy to have it as an application. And that's something we can talk about in the next video.
Fantastic. Thank you, Martin. This was really, really informative. And I'm sure it's going to be a lot more convenient for people to know how to do this. We'll see you next time then.